All right, I am the best fucking digital marketer. You know what? Everybody loves me. I am so fucking awesome. And let's work together. Let's do a project together. I'll do amazing stuff for you. I am the best. I am awesome. I am the super best. So, whenever I log onto my LinkedIn account, these are the kind of messages I get from random people who say they are the best digital marketers and they are good at SEO, SEM, PPC. They have worked with 10 fucking thousand clients, but they want to help me and work with me and want my project. So please don't send a message like that. It does not convert. In fact, you look really naive when you send a message like that. You're never going to get a serious client converting to that message. And in this video we talk about 3 things to never ever say or write if you want to get clients. That was the first thing. A stupid message like, hey sir, my name is XYZ, I'm the best digital marketer, I'm a digital marketing expert, I have worked with 55,000 lakh crore clients from Mars, Pluto, Earth, and of course Neptune, and the new galaxy that's being discovered. So if you want to work with me, call me. Look forward to hearing from you. Right? That's never going to convert. So stop doing that. Message number 2, I can provide you the cheapest rate, the cheapest service. Who the fuck wants the cheapest? If you use that phrase, you will always end up with the cheapest clients. And if you want cheapest clients, by all means use that, and most likely the cheapest clients you end up with would never pay you even the cheapest amount. So please stay away from that line. If you seriously want to get clients who deserve your services, if you're good, and who of course pay you well. And number 3, the most crazy lines that marketers use all the time. And when I say marketers who do not really understand marketing. We provide the best quality service. Our service quality is amazing. Well, first of all, I don't understand how do people measure quality. Like digital marketing quality service. What tape do you guys have? Or maybe probably you put the service in the machine and it throws out a quality meter with tuk quality 9.9 out of 10. Right? That sounds crazy, and it doesn't mean anything at all. So 3 things, please do not use this: cheapest service, great quality service, expert digital marketer. And the worst thing to do or say is a combination, which I call the Maha bomb of it all. So a message like, hi, I'm a digital marketing expert and I provide the cheapest service at the best and my service is the best freaking quality. I have worked with 50,000 clients. If you are looking to, getting your site better, and I think you need a better site, or if you need better marketing, so please contact me. And the funniest one was, I received a message from a guy, and I think it was an email. So he said, I went through your page, I'm a digital marketing expert, I can help you grow your social media following and blah blah blah. So if you need help, message me or email me on this ID. Right? So I went and checked his page. You know what? He had 536 likes on his Facebook page. The engagement was, oh my god, I feel like putting my head down under the well and committing suicide. 0 likes on all the freaking posts. And the guy was like, my digital marketing is bad and I need help. So please don't send out ridiculous messages like that. In fact, work on better campaigns. Go check out the video that I posted a couple of days back on how to get clients, get better at your processes, and of course learn lead nurturing. And if you want to learn more of lead nurturing, make sure to join our Facebook group. I'll be doing a webinar on how to get clients, like really good clients who pay you the money you deserve. Not the cheapest one, not the one who asks you for great quality, but the one who asks you for results and who pay you for results and who pay you really well. So 3 stupid things to never say. I hope I was clear, and I'll talk to you real soon. Make sure to hit the subscribe button. I'll talk to you soon. Bye bye.